Hello, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Blaze. Today's lesson, I'm going to show you how you can create this business flyers or posters, any way you call it, for your business. The thing we are going to do right now is we need to change the details on this particular template. So maybe you have your own business. So I created this. You can modify the font, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to change this particular text. Okay. Another business name. So the business name is Able God. So I'll copy that. Then I'll paste it here. Control V. Okay. Then we have it. Able God. Something like this. Big like that. Okay. And as you can see, we have this taglines here. So the tagline are something like what the person deals with. We are going to bring that one in here. So this one is a dealer in building materials. Okay. So I'll just select the first one. Okay, you can also delete the text and place your text in there. Then I'll just copy this rugs and carpet. So let's paste that one there. Then I'll paste that one there. Okay, from here there is another, maybe the person has a slogan for the business or whatever, so you can attach the slogan to the design. So the design, this one that I'm doing, has a slogan which is absolutely reliable. Okay, so I will just bring that one to the third one. Okay, then I'll paste it. If you think the text you don't like it, you can delete it and then place your own text there. Then I can change this. I can place this one in the bracket like this. Okay. So we have able God racks and carpet center. Okay. Then we have this absolutely reliable there. So it seems that this one and this one is together. So I want to maybe separate them small. So I'll go to properties. Then I will increase the space. Okay. Will not be like it is part of that one. Okay, so able God racks and carpet center, then absolutely reliable. If you think it is together and you want to change it, you can delete it and then go here for another test, then write it like that. So after doing this, you can see the product I'm going to work on is already here. I'm going to work on racks and carpet. So as you can see, let me give you the full picture so that you see how it is. You see, this is the carpet. Okay, look at the other one. This one too is the carpet. So I just combine two things. Okay, so this is a kind of manipulations here. I combine two images for that particular background. So the business that you are doing, so if you are selling clothing, you can place a clothing background there. Okay, something like that, so you can change it to the clothing. So I'm using carpet, so I'll place in the carpet. After placing the carpet, what I'm going to do is I will change the opacity from 100 to maybe 20, something like that. Then I will change this one to 20. Then we get something like this. So first part of the work. Then the second part is to change the number. Okay, I have phone number here. So I'm going to change the number. If you have WhatsApp too, you can go in and then get your WhatsApp icon and then bring it here. But I'm dealing with telephone numbers. So I will just go in here, then pick this number. Okay. Then you get affordable carpet and stuff. Please, I'm not doing advert for the person. I'm just teaching you how to do. So you have something like this. So something like this. Okay. Then what we can do right now is, after placing the number, if you have more than one number too, you can write it. If you want, after that, you need to place in the images in the box. Okay, with the help of a clipping mask. Okay, so I'll just select this box. Okay, then make sure you select the box first. Then I'll go in for one image. Okay, I didn't provide all these images. I want you to use your own pictures for these business flyers because maybe you already have your business. So I can pick any of this one. Then I will drag gently and bring it here. So we are going to repeat the procedure for all the boxes. We are going to just place our business items in these boxes. Okay, then we are done for it. Very simple as ABC. Okay, so please try and subscribe to this channel. I will create more business flyers for you to see. Okay, so after you have clipped all your images, then you save your work, the PNG or the JPEG. So this is the simple way of creating business flyers like this. When you go to most of the website, this is how the designs look like. Okay, so we'll be working on more. So try and subscribe to this channel because we will do more videos on how to do these designs. Okay, this time I've done it for you. Then all you need to do is just get the template and work on it. But next time I'll teach you how you can design it on your own. So thank you for watching this video.